Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to get started with streaming using Google's Agent Development Kit. Also we will be using another thing, which is the Google Search Agent, I guess. So let's look. Google Search Agent with Google Agent Development Kit. So let's get started. So first, as usual, we'll need to create a folder, I guess. So I'll just cd to my downloads directory. You can create it wherever you feel like. I'll just name it as first. Again, you can name it whatever you feel like, it's up to you. So I'll just cd to first as well, and I'll clear everything out. Alright, so I'll just open that first folder inside VS Code. So here you can see it is empty. I'll just close this. Now first we need to create the virtual environment, I guess. So for that we need to run few commands. So first is python 3 -m env. So this will create the virtual environment for us. This will take a bit of time. In the meantime, what we can do is here you can see they have given us the project structure. We'll just make it a slightly little bit different. You don't have to follow the exact one. So first I'll just create a folder called Google Search Agent. Inside that we just first need to create this file __ init.py, and the second one is agent.py as well. So I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here as well. So next we just need to copy this bit of code. We have not installed the dependencies yet. We'll come back to this. And here we need to pass what model we want to use. So I'm using the free tier model of Gemini 2.5 Flash. So Gemini 2.5 Flash, I think we have to write it like this only. So basically what we are doing is we are just giving it some name, basic search event. Okay, we are giving it some model name. We are telling it agent to answer question using Google search. So here we are passing the tool Google search as well, and it says you are an expert researcher, you always stick to the facts. So just change the description instruction to whatever you feel like is correct for you. Okay, also Gemini 2.5 Flash is the free tier model at the time of me recording. This will change in future, so feel free to use whatever is the free tier model, latest free tier model at the time of you guys watching the video. Okay, so here you can see our virtual environment is done. Then we need to activate it as well. So we just do source env/bin/activate. Okay, then we also need to create a .env file over here. So let's see if they have given the code for it. So also we need to do pip install, right? So I can just run this pip install, and also I require python.env as well, because we have that .env file, right? .env. So just run this command. In the meantime, let's see. We need to write this bit of code inside our init.py as well. So I'll just copy this, I'll paste it over here, and here you can see this is the command which we require. So I'll just copy this, just go to .env, paste it over here, and then we can just run ADK web. So let's just wait for this to finish. Hopefully I have done everything. Also another important thing is make sure you always write this variable name as root agent. That is very necessary. I think okay, we have not created an API key. Yeah, that's what I was forgetting. We need to paste our API key over here. So you just need to go to aistudio.google.com/API key, click on create API key, and here you can just select Gemini API, create API key in existing project. Then just copy this and we can just paste it over here, command V. So let's just wait for this. Also if you want, you can run the pip freeze command as well to get the requirements.txt file. So it's up to you whether you want that particular file or not. I think it's a good practice to have that particular file as well, but let's just wait for this dependency to get finished. So here you can see the dependency has finished. Now if you want, I think the command is like this: pip freeze requirements.txt. So it has created this. Now we can just run this command adk web. So let's just wait, hopefully this should work. So it will basically start a web server for us on localhost 8000, I guess. So in that we can directly go and start asking it questions. Okay, so I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here. So here you have to select your agent. This is the Google search agent for me. Okay, and here you can like we said, here is the Google search, right? So we can ask it anything like so yesterday the India versus England third test match just got over. Heartbreak for India, unfortunately, but I'll try to ask it. Let's see if it is able to give that answer or not. Tell me about the latest India versus England test match. It could not give you the accurate result as well, because I'm using the free tier, but let's hope for the best. So here you can see it is trying to call that particular tool, the Google search agent tool, and here you can see was played on July 14. So yeah, it has given me and England securing a thrilling 22 run victory over India. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Let's go to the documentation in case if I have missed anything. So we are not interested in trying it out with voice and audio, but yeah, that's all there is to it. So if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.